Also, this light generates a lot of heat when I am filming. Everything is still intact, like no part of it. And at some point this light just gave up, like it stopped working. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glo-Mary, and on this channel I talk about everything beauty. If you are a subscriber, welcome back, and if you are just joining, I'll urge you to subscribe because we do a lot of lovely things on this channel. In this video I will be reviewing this LED 800 Pro lights. I've used it for up to more than 6 months, I think going to 8 months now. So I dropped a review when I purchased it, and I thought to give you guys a review of how it has been going and how it has been working for the past 6 to 8 months. So right now, this is the only source of light I have while filming this video, except for the one at my back, which is like a very small ring light. This LED 800 Pro light is the only source of light, except for my reflector and the lights. The only source of light I have right now is this Pro 800 light, and you can see for yourself how it is actually working. So if you are a beauty creator or aspiring content creators, you can know if this light is like a good option for you, if you actually want to invest in lighting. So I got this light on Jumia, and it was around 56,000 naira with tripod, and it was well packaged. Although it did not come with a manual, but it was easy for me to set it up because I'd watched a lot of videos before I started setting it up. It came with 2 batteries. I don't know if you have not seen the review I made when I first bought it. I'm going to leave it at the end of this video so that you can have um a very good view of where we are coming from. So in the past 8 months, I have used this light um almost every day. Although I don't create content every day, but I use it a lot. Why I said that is because I'm a makeup artist and a hairstylist, so I tend to take it out to work. So I take it out with me, I travel with it, I use it in my workspace, and I also use it to create content in my own house. So I have to constantly use this light. That shows like how much I actually use the light. So after about 3 months of using this light, because I stay where light is not so constant, I tend to use the battery a lot. And I explained, the kind of battery you can get if you are, you have that kind of situation too. It is in the first video that I made. So I use the battery a lot, and at some point this light just gave up, like it stopped working. I think that was after 3 months. I ran into the problem of looking for who is going to repair this light. Honestly, I don't even know what was wrong. What I knew was the light just stopped working, like it just went off, and it was not with electricity, right? So I tried to plug into electricity. Maybe the battery was the one that has fault. At the end of the day, it wasn't the battery, it wasn't the charger. It's like I could not actually find somebody that could repair this light. So at the end of the day, I ran into someone who repairs ring lights like this, and it's not like a LED light. And this person just found a way to make sure that this light turns on. So in the first video that I made, this light has a switch where you can reduce the brightness or use the yellow and white color together, or if you want to use it separately. Now that is no longer working on this light because the person that repaired it said there's supposed to be a board that I'm supposed to purchase, and that is not available for purchase, or he couldn't find it. So he just had to piece all the things together just to make sure that the lights on. And honestly, when he did that, I was actually glad, because at the time I wasn't even thinking of buying a new light. At the time, I just want something that will on and will make me go on ahead with my work. So although it affects my work a little because I don't normally use like a lot of bright lights when I'm filming. I would like, sometimes I would like to use the yellow light, sometimes I would like to combine the lights, but now I don't even get to use the yellow lights a lot because it's not really good for my kind of content, because I create beauty content and I really need the color to pop. So I tend to use only the white lights. And yeah, so right now the switches are no longer working, and I guess because there are no preps person that can actually repair it correctly around me, or because I could not get the board that, like that spare part that got spoiled, to purchase and repair. Also, this light generates a lot of heat when I am filming. It gets to eat up a lot. So if you are doing a makeup video, you are somebody who sweats a lot, you might want to have like a hair conditioner or a fan around you, so that you are comfortable while you are doing what you are doing. So it generates a lot of heat, and it will not like give up or go off as a result of that. Like I've never experienced that. So it's not like because it now has a lot of heat then it's now go off. I mean, I've never experienced that. I'm speaking from my experience. But um you might want to have a fan around you. It generates a lot of heat, and also it consumes a lot of power. So if you are managing your unit, you might want to do whatever it is that you want to do quickly, so that everything can be on the same page. You get what I'm saying? Yes, this light has really improved the quality of my videos. I don't have to do too much. I'm still using the same phone I was using when I was using only the ring light. I mean, because the ring light is small actually. So yeah, I just needed to learn how to place the light correctly and how to use my reflectors and let everything look good. So another challenge I have with this light is I had to place it on a particular side of my filming setup. I can't really place it directly in front of me because I needed to use my mirror, and I think this only applies to beauty creators because you want to see what you are doing. So I use mirror in front of my camera, so I can't place my light in front of my camera, so I had to place it on the side. So you see that this side is more light up than this other side. There is shadow on this side because there is no light on this side. So it's tempting me to get another light for this other side of my setup. So but if it were to be a ring light, I don't think I'm going to have that problem. So let's talk about the durability of the this light. There's no part of this light that is broken as at the time I'm making this video, even though I tend to travel a lot and carry it a lot, and drivers rough handling my box and all of that. Everything is still intact. Like no part of this light is broken. The battery is still good. The everything is still intact. Like, okay, except for there's one screw like this, and I think that is my fault because I wasn't being careful. Just in the closing, it has a cover, so there's just one screw like this that I don't know how I misplaced it. Yeah, this light is easy to clean and maintain. Like, just, I mean, it tends to get dusty a lot, but it's also easy to clean. If you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse in every long form video. And yes guys, here is the verse of the day. Would I recommend this for a beauty creator who's just starting out? No. And here is the reason. If I'm going to be making this decision again, I would not buy a LED light. I would buy a ring light, a bigger one at that, because I wanted something that would light up every part of my video and I would not have to be worried about the shadow. That's number one. Number two is because I needed something I can actually repair. I noticed that we have a lot of people around us or artisans around us who can repair ring lights, but they are not yet used to, you know, what LED lights look like and how they are supposed to go about it. So if I have any issue, I want to be able to solve it. So that is the second reason I will be going for a ring light. I wanted something that if I can place in front of me, and I'll still be able to see my mirror at the end of it. So if you are an upcoming beauty creator, I would advise that you get a ring light. So maybe while growing, you have more money, you can get a LED light, because actually the intensity of LED lights is actually better than ring lights. Yeah, so it's tricky like that. So am I missing something? Was it worth the money I got it after almost a year? Yes, it is actually it's worth it. I mean, I've my videos have really improved, and yeah, I would say I've gained value for my money. Yeah, but I just don't think it's a decision I'm going to make again. Actually, I will still keep on using this as at least for now. But if I'm getting a new one, I think I'm going to be getting a ring light to support this light instead. Sure, I don't know if I answered all of your questions. Let me know in the comment section if there's something I'm leaving out, and if there is a video that you like to see. Kindly put it in the comment section and let me know if you get value from this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share with anyone that you think this video would be useful for, especially beauty creators. Don't forget, what we do on this channel is talk about everything beauty, and I'll make sure I see you in my next one. Bye.